sink or swim. Materials. Transparent jar, 20 cm in diameter, half filled with water. Candle, about 1.5 cm in diameter, 6 cm long. Egg, about 3 cm in diameter. Improvised force indicator, rubber band, roller, and pencil. Procedure. Set up materials shown in figure 1A. Measure the length of the rubber band. Rubber band na.
Nico!
Using one end of the rubber band, tie the candle. Post the candle and measure the length of the rubber band. Suspend the candle at water level in the jar while hanging from the force indicator as shown